name is Lucy Wen. I came from Taiwan and I'm a Chinese brush painting artist in Spanish Village, Bible Park. Most of the Chinese brush painting, when we paint, have a special meaning in the subject. It's like a koi painting, means prosperity and happiness, because it's from the feng shui, means for the good fortune, good luck. Most of painting behind in the house, it has a good meaning. Like the peony means good fortune and wealth, and Japanese whooping crane means longevity and happy marriage, because of the bird can live for about over 65 years old, and they stay together, the couple stay together. I usually teach from the basic strokes, and because it's very important to have a good training for the basic strokes, and the Chinese painting style is completely different from the Western paintings, and it's watercolor but painting on the absorbent paper, and it's sometimes hard to handle the water. Some students are frustrated about that, but after a while they get used to. When they find out how to handle brush and the water, and it became very easy and have lots of fun in my class. Usually I paint from the photographs or painting from life, and I normally use the pencil to paint a sketch of, for example, the flower and birds, and then I use this sketch to transform to the Chinese brush painting onto the silk or the rice paper. Because the Chinese brush painting, the styles we call the freestyle painting, is a very simplified style, so we don't care too much about details, and we can paint one petal with one stroke, and one leaf with one stroke, and sometimes maybe it take about 10 to 20 minutes we can finish one painting. It doesn't take too long to finish a painting, but took a lot of time to practice. Do whatever you like and be happy. Even if you are going to the art career as a painter, you are still enjoying work you are doing. So just relax and practice a lot and be creative.